Hey everybody, so I noticed with my car, I have a 2012 Ford Focus titanium, not the hatchback, but it doesn't really matter, it's just the titanium version. So this is the keyless entry key fob. So I noticed after a while, I think I've had the car for over about a year and a half or so, relatively low mileage, but I noticed that at random times, usually either first thing in the morning, late at night, whatever. I couldn't unlock the car. It would take forever. I'd have to continually press the unlock button for like 5 minutes, and it would finally unlock. Didn't affect starting the car, but it just took forever to unlock the car. So, but then other times, no problem at all. So I was like, huh, must be a battery problem. Hope I really don't have to go take this to a dealership, get a whole brand new key fob, because I've heard those are expensive. So I was like, surely there's another way that I can solve my problem. And there is. And that's just swapping out the battery that is inside the key fob. And I've already done it. I've done it on both. This is the spare keyless entry, but I use it on my primary one, and I replaced both the batteries, and it functions perfectly first time, no issues. So what you have to do is you have to actually basically disassemble this. So the way to do that is there are two ridges on the back piece here. I'm going to try to show it. You depress both the ridges and that hood pops up just like that. So when you have that hood pop up, just grab it, pop off the hood, set it aside, and now you have access to the actual physical key, and this can actually open up your doors and trunk if the battery is dead inside the car. So then once you have that open, take the key out, set it aside, you don't need that anymore. And now what you have to do is you have to separate the two halves. You can use a flathead screwdriver, but this one does not work for me, and the reason why is because you're supposed to slide the something inside here where the key rests inside here to either to kind of push down on this portion to separate the two halves, but mine is too wide here at the head, so that doesn't work for me. But what did was my pocket knife. So, and of course, be very delicate with this. Don't try to hurt yourself. I had to kind of slide the blade like right in this groove right here. So just gently kind of wiggle it in there. Sometimes I think I may have I turned it on this side. That's what I did. So I slid it into the half that's on that side, and then just wiggle it in there and pry it up, and now you see the two halves are relatively separated. You can just you can now pull it apart. Now you have access to the battery. This is a CR2032 battery. I think I just got it today at my grocery store, $6.99 for two of them, which was perfect. And what you need to do is right on this side, there's a area where you can probably use either a blade of some sort. Just pry it up, pops right out. And of course I made the mistake, didn't realize this is the part that goes facing down. I had it facing the other way, screwed it up and thought, oh great, that was not the problem. It was me. So have it just like this, and then just do it in reverse order to reassemble. Snap it back together, put the key back in here, the hood back on there, snap it closed, and you're done. That's it. Hope that helps everybody.